In this video, we are going to show you that how you can create a thriving e-commerce website with WordPress using the ChatGPT. Have a look at this website. After watching this video, you will be able to create this kind of e-commerce website. We will show you exactly how to import this demo in WordPress. We will also show you how to change any image or content on this demo template. Then we will show you how to use ChatGPT to boost the process of creating this kind of e-commerce website. Make sure you make it till the end of this video so that you can learn that how you can create a thriving WordPress e-commerce website with the help of ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is to make sure that you have a WordPress already installed on your hosting. In case you don't have a WordPress website, you will need to get a domain and hosting. So here you can see that I already have WordPress installed here. So what you will have to do is to go to the dashboard of your website, and once you will be in the dashboard of your website, you want to go to this appearance and then in the themes. From here you will have to click on this add new button right here, and then in here you can search for Phlox, Phlox. This is the theme that we want to use. So click on install button right here. And once you will click on install, this theme will start getting installed, and then click on this activate button. So once you will click on activate, here you will see that this theme will get activated. And now if I go to the website again, here you can see that the appearance is totally changed now. So I am here back in the dashboard. I want to get rid of all of these themes right here. So you can simply erase all of these themes that are not required. So after that, what you want to do is to click on this install plugins button right here, and then choose all of these required plugins that are required by this theme, and then click on install and then click apply, and all of these required plugins will automatically start getting installed. So you will have to wait for some time until it will get installed. So let's just wait for a few minutes. So here you can see that all of those plugins are now successfully installed. The next thing that you want to do is to click on this thing here that says installed following plugin. So simply click right here. It will install and activate the core plugin and the Elementor plugin that is required as well. So we'll have to wait for this one. And right here you can see that we have these option right here. So once you will see this option, from here what you want to do is to click on this demo importer. So simply click on this demo importer. You will see different kind of templates there. These are the templates for some business websites, some shops, for services based website, for creative websites, and for blog and magazine website, and health and beauty website, and the food items as well. For in this video we are focusing only on the shop templates. So we will click on this shop option right here, and then if I click on this preview right here, you will see that this is the exact same template that we want to import. So this right here is the exact same template that we want to import. So I will get back to our dashboard, and then I'll click on this import button right here. So once you will click on this import button, what you want to do is to click on this continue button right here. It will ask you to activate following plugins. We already have installed these plugins. So we'll simply have to click on this install button, and then it will automatically start activating this plugin. Once a plugin will get activated, you will see this green check mark right here. This indicates that the plugin is successfully installed. So right here you can see that all of these plugins are successfully installed and activated, and in this option is saying us if we want to remove the watermarks. So for now I am clicking on this skip button right here, and in this next prompt we have this option if you want to import the complete pre-built website. So I want to import the complete built website, so I'll click on this import content. So right here you can see that it has already started importing the website on our WordPress dashboard. So we'll again have to wait. It will be done in like a few minutes, so we'll just have to wait until it will get completed. Alright, so here you can see that our demo is successfully imported, and now we can click on this preview button right here, and it will open our website. We can click on this close button right here, and then we can go to the front end of our website. It is taking some time to get loading, and right here you can see that it has already started loading here. So here you can see we have this first section, we have these images right here, and we have this watermark right here. We can always change these images. I'll show you that how you can change these images. And these are all the products options right here. You can display any kind of products here, and then there is a banner right here. This is the area for the blog post. These are some logos that you can add here, and this is the footer part. So right here we have successfully set it up, the template that I showed you. And now I'll show you that how you can use the ChatGPT to actually boost the speed of creating this website. So I'll go to the chatgpt.com, but before I want to show you that if you will go to the dashboard again, and here in the products options right here, you will see that we have all of these products already set it up here that came with the demo import. So we can actually change these products, or we can use the ChatGPT to change these products. So for example, if I click on this edit button right here, we can change the title of the product, we can change the description of the product. From here, if you will click here, you will be able to change the image for your product. And then from here you can change the short product description, and then because this is a variable product, you will have to click on this variation options right here. So right here you will see these variation options, and if you will click on this, you will have this option to choose the prices. So for example, I now choosing the price of $97 for this variation. For the medium one, I'm also choosing $197, and for the large one I'm choosing $250. So after that, if I click on save changes, this will get updated. So now I'll move to ChatGPT, and I will ask the ChatGPT to create a product description for this particular product. So right here you can see that I am already logged into the ChatGPT, and here ask him to write the product description for this particular product. This may take some time. We'll have to just wait until the ChatGPT will start writing the product description for us. So right here you can see that ChatGPT has already created the product description for us. I can copy this product description, and I will go back to my WordPress dashboard, and I'll paste this product description right here. And then if I click update button right there, this product will get updated. And then if I'll click on this view product right here, and if we open this product in a new tab, so right here you can see that there is the product description that ChatGPT has wrote for us. So you can use the ChatGPT to create any number of products description as you want, and you can also ask the ChatGPT to create the short product description as well. You can also ask the ChatGPT to write the product title ideas. So let's just ask the ChatGPT to create some product ideas for us. So here you can see that I have asked the ChatGPT to create some product title ideas, and it has already created these title ideas for us. So for example, I want to use this product title idea. I'll simply copy this product title. I'll go back to my product, and I can replace this title with this new one, and then I will click update right here. And now if I go back to my product, and if I refresh this product, you will be able to see that this product title right here is already updated. So you can also use the ChatGPT to update these product title ideas as well. So this is how you can use the ChatGPT to boost the speed of creating this e-commerce website. So right here you can see that we are back into this home page. So now I'll show you that how you can actually edit and change any of these images. So for that, you will have to click on this edit with Elementor button right here. So simply click here, and once you will click on edit with Elementor, this is how it will open, and you will have this option right here. You will be able to click anywhere. So for example, if I click on this image, you will see this image right here. If I click on this image, this will open, and then I'll be able to use any of these images. So for example, if I choose this image and click on insert media, here you can see that this image is now updated. And for this text, if I click on this text, here you can see we have this beat solo. So here we have beat solo. We can say new arrivals. So this is how you can change this text, and this is a secondary heading, wireless, and you can make it beautiful. And for this heading, headphones, you can make it watches, just like that. And then this one is a button right here. You can change the link of this button right here, and then you can change the text here. So you can make it buy now. So here you can see that it is updated. So if we scroll down, these are all the banners. If you will click on these, you will be able to change all of these images. Just upload any of these images by clicking on these upload files and then click on select files. Or if you want to use any of already uploaded images, just select one of these images and then click on insert media right here, and it will then get updated. This is how you will be able to change these images, these title, these small title, these big titles, these button text, and then you can change the links for the buttons as well. Then you have these propositions or the value proposition right here. If you want, you can keep the free shipping and then 30-day money back guarantee and online support. And if you want to remove any of these, just simply right click here and then click delete, and they'll get removed. This is that simple. And then click delete here, and here you can see that we only have 3 options right here. So here you can see we have this banner, and this particular area is for products. So you will have to upload all of your products in let me refresh this one, products. So if you will go back right here in this products, and if you will click on this add new button, you will be able to add your own product. So enter the name of your product here, the description for product right here, choose one of the category for your products right here, and then choose a featured image for your products using this option, and then choose the price for your product and then hit publish. And by doing that, you will be able to upload any of your products and they will appear right here automatically. And the same thing, you can change these images, this text, and this button text as well. This area is for the blog post. So in order to change the blog post, you will have to go to this posts option right here, and here you can change or delete all of these blog posts, or you can click on this add new button to add new blog post. So in order to add a new blog post, you can add the title of your blog post right here, and then you can add the content for your blog post right here. After that, simply click on this publish button and your blog post will get published. For now, we are seeing these blog posts from this, or if I click on this all post, we are now seeing all of these blog posts from few of these posts right here. So basically, this is how you'll be able to create this kind of amazingly looking e-commerce store website using ChatGPT and WordPress. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new from this video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever we upload the new video. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.